Hey guys, welcome to tutorial review. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your OpenAI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. How to log into your OpenAI account on your computer. First open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address chat.openai.com like this and hit on enter. And after you land over here guys, you can see there is the login and the sign up button available over here. If you have not yet created an account on the OpenAI, simply click on the sign up button to go through our registration process to sign up for OpenAI account. And with that being said guys, let's log into our OpenAI account. So let's click on login. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your email address like this with which you had signed up for chat OpenAI account. With that being said guys, you can also log into your OpenAI account with your Google or your Microsoft account similarly. And with that being said guys, if you click on these buttons, you'll be taken to a procedure where you can log into your Google or your Microsoft account respectively. And if you log into those accounts, you will be signed into your chat OpenAI account with your Google or your Microsoft account. And with that being said, let's click on continue. And on the next step, we'll be required to enter our password over here, guys, like this. But if you've forgotten your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to reset your chat OpenAI account's password. And after that, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on continue button available over here, and then you'll be logged into or you're signed into your chat OpenAI or your OpenAI account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.